Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by eliminating variables that trigger the I am not a robot check. Connect to a stable network and sign into your Google account. This provides a consistent identity. Once signed in, disable any VPN or proxy and clear browser cookies so Google sees a clean session. Open a modern browser like Chrome or Firefox, then navigate to the page triggering the Captcha. Now that basics are set, proceed with the interactive verification step to prove you are human. When the Captcha appears, read the prompt and click precisely on matching images. Accuracy matters because small mistakes trigger repeats. If images are unclear, switch to the audio challenge and listen carefully. Play, pause, and replay to capture numbers or words. Once you pass, click Verify and wait for confirmation. If you get repeated challenges, open a guest window or new browser profile to avoid extension interference. Make sure to move deliberately. Rushed clicks often cause more checks. After verification, confirm that access is granted and refresh the page you intended to use. If you still see the Captcha, inspect browser extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools. Disable them briefly and retry because they can mimic bot behavior. Make sure your browser is up to date. Outdated versions raise suspicion. If problems persist, restart your router or switch to mobile data to change your IP address. Troubleshooting tip: try an incognito or guest window to isolate local settings before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.